Hey guys, happy Thursday. I've been making a bunch of watercolor collage fodder. As you can see, if you're new to my channel, I do art journaling and junk journaling stuff. I like to make ephemera or collage fodder, which just means handmade pieces. So I've been doing a bunch of hearts, flowers, just doodles. And here's a butterfly. Here's another butterfly. So anyways, I was just gonna, a rainbow. I was just gonna do some doodling with watercolor with you guys. I won't be able to doodle on the pieces like I normally do because they're gonna be wet in this session, but either way, I'll just kind of show you what I do when I get going. I do need to spray my paint. All right, so I like to do this doodly flower a lot. Just kind of like a spiral. Pick any color. This will end up looking something like this. Let's see, we'll do blue. Then when I'm done, I usually outline with a marker, a mark maker. Great. Let's see. Another one of my favorites is just this. These are kind of, oops, I got water on here. Wonky, whimsical. Oops, that one didn't start out very well. Never goes well when I'm on camera. But whatever, so. It's not anything that can't be fixed, so. Yeah, because there's water on my hand, so it's bleeding over here. So I'll just make it a little wider. You get the point. The other part, I don't know why he's not behaving right now. I'm gonna have to go get him. Just kind of make your stems or leaves, however. All right, and it bleeds a little bit, that's okay. Let's see. What else should we do? Sometimes I'll do this. This is just like a messy flower. Let's do. I'll take another complementary color or a color that won't turn it into mud. These are usually uglier when I'm making them than they are when they dry. They usually dry pretty cool. Let's do this green. Or mix a couple greens, why not? What else should we do? Let's do, I don't know what color this is. Of course, I love my hearts because hearts are so much fun to, let me see, to add like polka dots to, stripes. They're just fun to doodle on and they're so easy to do. You can make like, I think people do like friendship hearts. I'm not sure, really sure, but you could like write on the back, put them in Happy Mail. If you're in those, you know, those kind of groups. Let's see. I'm just picking whatever colors. Let's see. Maybe I'll do this teal again. Just do a leaf. It'll become more of a leaf once I doodle on it. But I can show you in a sec. I've done a bunch of these, just, it's a leaf or a petal, whatever you want it to be. Let's see. I'll show you. Ooh, in this bin, let me see. Oh, I've been doing a bunch of rainbows. Maybe my leaves are, I can't put this down to check, but, oh, here's a few. They're just fun to put dots and doodles on. There's a few, but there's tons in here. All right. I usually do only half because then I start ruining things by dipping into it, so then I'll get a new piece of paper with that in a minute. I'm trying to think. Let's do a pink leaf here. You can get creative, go on Google, there's all sorts of leaf shapes, but I'm gonna set this off. And then let's see. Let's do, just trying to make sure I'm in frame here. Some rainbows. My rainbows are not perfect, but they turn out cute once you doodle on them. Oh, buddy, he's moving my table. I usually just do like 3 or 4 colors. I try not to let them run into each other. Let's see, let's do this blue. A little bit too much on there, but that's all right. I'm gonna try to fix that one side just a hair. Oops. I think I grabbed a different color. Oh well. So here's a rainbow. I think that's the only one in this pile. I'm gonna switch over to these colors. Let's see. They always end up like sideways when I do them. I don't have a very steady hand, so whatever. But they look, I think they're kind of cute, like whimsically, not perfect. Let's see. It's always hard for me to make that turn. Off camera, I find it easier to make these two. I don't know why. I gotta get that red off. Oh, it's still on there. This one's probably not my best ever. Maybe I'll make that this side just a little bit like that, just to kind of try to fix it. I don't want to make it too fat. Make it the drift on rainbows. Let's see. Where's my purple? I don't know if this is, I think this is purple. Oh, it's like blue. So I more or less just doodle with watercolor than I am like obviously a watercolorer. This is just kind of my style. It's what I've done for a while. Let's see, let's do a yellow stem because it'll blend with that blue. Like that. Okay, let's see. Where, I want to find my purple. I wonder, I don't know if purple's here. We'll find out. Nope. But anyway, this is kind of another doodle that I do. Just kind of circles. Kind of going sideways, but it's okay. green off there. Kind of fill these in just a little bit. Something like that. I gotta try to do them on this side. Let's see, guys. What's new with you guys? Where are you tuning in from? I've been busy because now I'm working full time. So on my days off, I'm not always wanting to film, but I'm trying to. Once I get used to the schedule, I'll probably be able to film some more. I don't know if this is going to turn out or not, guys. It's just kind of... Usually I do the doodling with mark makers, not watercolor, but I'll see. Just maybe do this green, I don't know. It might bleed, we'll see what happens. Might be all right. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I'll do some line work in it. You know what I mean? Doodling once it's dry. That's kind of looking cool. I might leave that how that is. And then you can do just like some roses. So just kind of some squiggly circles with a little bit of white showing through. I'll show you. Oops. Kind of messed that one up, but there we go. That's what, let's see, where are they here? That's what these are. You can always glue them down, add your own stem, or add your stem while you're making them. I made a bunch of them somewhere in that pile. I've done a video on making them before as well. It's probably deep in my channel somewhere. Kind of make it messy. Okay. Let's see. What color have I not used? I haven't used these browns. I'm not really into them, but why not? It is so hot here, you guys, in Michigan today. It's 90, I don't know, it might be 95, but that's like before the humidity. It's so humid, it's so bad. Ugh, man, I'm ready for winter. Let's see. So this is what I do when I make a bunch of pieces like this. I just doodle all over. Either I did some with markers, like these are with markers, these hearts. What else? Like paint pens. Like put the stuff. Let me see. Where's the other one? Anyways, I had two of these. That's just with paint pens too. So I just doodle all sorts of stuff until I'm bored, and then I let it dry. Then I doodle on them with mark makers, and then, you know, cut them out. The cutting out part is not my favorite thing to do in the world. I'll try to do... I don't know why I can't make that rainbow turn. My hand just doesn't do it. Let's do blues and greens here. There we go. Sort of did this one a little bit better. Kind of get, when you get in a groove. I guess I could do this green. I like decorating the rainbows. In a sec, I'll grab some more of my rainbows. That's a little wonky, but let me move this for a sec. All right, see, here's some rainbows. So they're not even close to perfect, but they still look kind of cute, don't they? You know, I think they do. Someone said they look like boho rainbows, and I think I could agree with that. Oh, I've got tons and tons. Oops. So you get the point. And none of these started out with perfect lines at all. So all right, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna make some more collage fodder today, have fun painting, doodling. I will see you guys soon, I hope. I'm going into my working week on Saturday, so I'll be busy again, but it's just the nature of the beast. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my content, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. I'll see you later. Bye.